Hello everyone, CSX Freight Train Productions here. We got another train coming at Radnor Road in Radnor, Ohio. This one's Q635! Oh, those garbage cars! Ew! Ew! Garbage cars! Yep, this is Q635! DPU! 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 Woo! DPU! 3075! There's the end of the train right down there, you guys! Alright guys, see you guys later. If you guys like this video, please click the thumbs up, the sincere subscribe to the CSX Freight Train YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more rail fitting videos and more ceiling fan videos, so stay tuned!